Shah. I'm a consultant pulmonologist practicing at Saifi and Bhatia hospitals in Mumbai, India. Today I'm going to be talking about the coronavirus disease, that is the COVID-19. You must have already heard across, and it's definitely a cause for concern right now. There has been more than 1.5 million cases who have been infected all across the globe, as well as more than 1 lakh deaths have been reported. So definitely it's a cause of concern. India had taken steps which are very very early. So probably as of now, as of today, we don't have so many cases as the rest of the world is suffering from. But it might be a matter of time that we might have that many cases. So we as citizens, what should we be doing? First and foremost that we should be doing is definitely staying indoors. Please appreciate the work done by the police officers as well as the healthcare workers who have been working tirelessly right through the day as well as the night to make each and every individual's patients who are suffering from COVID infection having a good outcome. The most important thing they are supposed to do is to restrict all kind of travels. Please do not venture out of your home unless it is absolutely necessary. That can be because of two reasons. That is, one is a medical emergency, or second can be because of buying essential items like groceries and other stuff. If someone has to go out for a grocery shopping, please make sure that only one person goes out for shopping, and that person should be preferably young and healthy, so that the chances of getting infected as well as getting mortality rates are lesser in those kind of individuals. Please practice social distancing. That term that you must have heard multiple times. It means that you are supposed to stay at least 2 meters away from any individual in your vicinity, because coronavirus seems to spread less when the person is more than 2 meters away from the infected individual. Apart from that, do regular hand hygiene. You must have heard multiple times. Wash your hand with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or you can use an alcohol based disinfectant which contains 70% alcohol. Wash with 7 techniques of hand washing. Whenever you go for the washroom, you come out from the washroom, when you eat food, after eating food, while preparing, every single time that you go out of your house and come back in, and as many times as you can. Avoid spreading fake news. So whatever you read on social media or any other media is definitely not 100% correct. Please visit websites of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare or the WHO, which gives out regular updates regarding the latest information on COVID-19. Whom should be wearing a mask? Ideally, every person should be wearing a mask when they go out of your house or they are sick. Which kind of mask is for normal individuals, communities individuals? We need to wear a cloth mask, which is supposed to give adequate protection against coronavirus disease. Please reserve the medical mask or the surgical mask as well as the N95 for the healthcare workers who are at the front end of battling this disease. What should I do when I fall sick? First and foremost, do not panic. Most of the coronavirus disease patients recovered completely well. If you have symptoms suggestive of flu, that is cold, cough and fever, please take routine medication, that is paracetamol and antihistaminics for your symptoms. If the symptoms are very very severe, like warning symptoms like difficulty in breathing, very high grade fever or confusion, please contact your local doctor immediately. It is recommended to test only for patients who have travel history or who are coming in contact with patients who are already diagnosed COVID, or you are residing in a hotspot area where COVID is very very prevalent. So when you buy grocery from outside, so before you enter the house, first and foremost, please discard the cover, the bag in which you got the grocery. Then divide the grocery into 3 parts. One is the packaged food that you can always clean it with soap and water or any other disinfectant. Second is going to be vegetables, any other foods that you need to wash it in running water. And third is going to be meat, eggs, which you need to cook very well so that all the viruses get destroyed. Currency notes, as far as possible, try to avoid dealing in currency. Cashless payment, Paytm and other kind of apps are always going to be useful. If you are handling currency, please make sure you keep it in an area where no one else touches it, and always wash your hands immediately after touching currency notes. In the meantime, when you are at home, stay healthy, eat good food, eat good nutritious food, exercise regularly, keep yourself hydrated, pursue your hobby which will keep you occupied. Together we can, and we will definitely win this war against the virus. Stay home, be safe, be vigilant. Thank you everyone.